Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing some box braids on my sister's hair. I'm blending 42 inches of Expressions pre-stretch hair in the colors brown, light auburn, and blonde. When it comes to blending, I take apart the hair over and over until I reach the desired mixture I'm looking for. My sister's goal for this hairstyle was for her braids to be large enough to fill in the gaps and give off the illusion that her hair is thicker and fuller than what it truly is. She's always had a problem when it comes to making her hair look fuller regardless of the hairstyle. Her hair is thicker in the crown area and thinner around the perimeter. This front section on both sides of her temple is what concerns her the most. As you can see, her edges are very intact. They just don't grow past this point, and looking from the outside, it does give the illusion that her hair is broken off, and it actually isn't. So I'm just adding a little bit of edge control to smooth back the front, and I'm adding as much hair as I can to the other section without applying too much tension. So my sister's hairline has always been like this, especially since we were younger. This is nothing new. She has been trying different products to see if she can strengthen up those hair follicles, but nothing has been working so far. This is a couple days later, but this is the finished result. So y'all don't understand how hard I had to hunt this guy down to get this video. But thanks for watching.